Ben Ben.
Ikaw ang tinatangi.
Shelly San Luis.
Ibig sabihin ang hindi mo maamin.
Daniel Ombao.
Ba't di salubungin puso ko at kunin?
Yumi Kapili.
I kinda like her
Mayumi.
together we want. Hold on to each other and we can.
Mela.
I know I'm not the only one.
Noben Villeda.
So now I come to you.
Brian Tamundong.
I wish you the best of.
Sam Mangubat.
Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might.
Zaris.
Isang himala. And we would like to acknowledge the faculty members of the Department of Mathematics, School of Science and Engineering of the Ateneo de Manila University, who served as our official tabulators for tonight. May I call Dr. Felix P. Muga II to hand us the results.
That's right, and to award the trophy on stage is one of our judges, the president of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, or SEED, Mr. Iza Red.
This year's Wish Promising Artist is... Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready? This year's Wish Promising Artist,
Sam Mangubat! I'm loving angels instead. Wow. Di ko alam gagawin ko. Alam niyo po, at this point in my life, hindi ako makapaniwala na ganito yung parang bumulusok yung career ko. At nagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa Panginoon na tagapagligtas ko. Talagang this is not gonna be possible without him. And sa Tawag ng Tanghalan ng family, kung hindi dahil sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, hindi ko maaabot to. Hindi ako makakatungtong sa wish bus na dati na pinapanood ko lang yung mga iniidolo ko, sina Bugard Trilon, Morissette, Chris Lawrence, Jason D. Pero naging posible to sa ganung kabilis na panahon. Maraming salamat sa mga angels ko, Sam Natic, Sam Nation, Sam Babies, Sam Boys. Ang dami nyo. Thank you so much sa support nyo. Hindi ako makapaniwala kayo. Maraming salamat, Wish FM, for giving me the opportunity to sing and perform for everyone. Maraming salamat po. God bless us.
congratulations, Mr. Sam Mangubat. All of us have always had a favorite song or two.